In this tutorial, I will guide you how to enable or disable your Instagram daily limit. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now to enable the Instagram daily limit, just open the Instagram app. Once you open this app, just make sure to select the three lines at the top right corner of your profile. Scroll down and select your activity. Scroll down and you'll see an option time spent. Select on daily limit. And then you'll see an option here to set. You can set it to minutes, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, up to 2 hours. So for example, if you set to 15 minutes, just like so, and the daily limit will be set. To turn it off, just select here off. Or if you've reached your daily limit, if you want to turn it off, just select more options, and you'll see an option to turn off your daily limit and set it to off. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.